Are you broke, in a tight spot, or need money this week? Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make $2,000 this week off of just doing eBay. Stay tuned. All right, so now that you're here, this is a 3-step video, so it's gonna be fairly short. Now, the first step in all this is to find a winning product. And what I mean by that is a winning product as in a product that is in demand or that people need. Something trending or something that you know people are always gonna need. Me personally, I tend to do gaming tech. You don't have to do that. You can do things from jewelry, shoes, clothing, accessories, controllers, anything that you please, consoles, anything that is currently trending or on demand for the consumer base. Now, once you get a moving product, you're gonna move on to step 2. All right, step 2, researching the market. Now, let me show you how this works. Okay, so now you have your winning product right here. All right, now you're gonna go on eBay, ebay.com. You're gonna search up your winning product, whether it be Xbox controllers, shoes, gaming accessories, whatever it is that you are selling. You're gonna see what the other competitors sell it for. Now, let's just say you're looking at gaming headsets. The average competitor price is like 35 bucks with free shipping. Now, you know that, okay, my product has to be within the 30 to 40 range and has to have free shipping for me to be in competition with these people. Now, what I like to do is I like to undercut my competition. So if the competitor price is $35, I'll sell it for about, $30.99, going free shipping in there, just to guarantee that I'll have the sale. I might have smaller margins. Margins is what you can make off the product itself. But I will be getting more sales than my competitor just because when people go to ebay.com and search up gaming headsets and they put on lowest price first, I'm gonna show up first. You catch my drift? Now, like I did say earlier, you do want to look at shipping as an example. So if someone's selling it at like $28, but they have $12 shipping, they're not really your competitor further on the high scale of the market, because who's gonna pay $6 to $12 for shipping? No one wants to do that. So you want to make sure you always have your shipping in mind when you're selling the product and when you're getting it from your supplier. But yeah, that's step 2, researching the market and then finding a solid price to put your winning product at, if y'all catch my drift. All right, now on to step 3. Step 3 is creating a high quality listing. All right, so now you're on eBay, ebay.com, you have an eBay sellers account. You found your winning product. You research the market so you know what the price point you're gonna put it for and what you're gonna market shipping as, whether it be free shipping or you charge for shipping, if that's what you do. Now you're gonna create a quality listing. Now for quality listings, you need a couple of things. You need high quality pictures, you need good reviews, and you need a good bio. Now, in saying all this, you wanna make sure you take your time on each and every one of these. The first part, taking high quality pictures. You can use your phone, you don't need no fancy camera. I use my phone personally. You wanna go around, take the product, whatever it is. If it's the headset, you wanna take nice, probably, I would say 5 to 8 pictures of your product, not too much, not too little, just to give the viewer enough to see what they're getting. Complete honesty and transparency is key here. You want to get every bit of everything, the right side, the whole 360, the whole shebang, far away, whatever you need to do, get all the angles, man. Make sure your product look good. But yeah, taking good high quality pictures. Now, after that, you took all your high quality pictures, of course. Now you want to make your listing look clean. So you want to make sure that you have a good bio. So the bio basically describes what the customer is getting. Now in doing the bio, you do want to take your time. You want to say what's coming in when they're shipping, whether the headset includes, cords, if it's plug-in, wireless, whatever it is. Just basically describe the product at hand. Now, if you're having a hard time with your product and you don't know much about it, which I don't recommend you selling a product you don't know anything about, but hey, do you, buddy. You can go on google.com, Safari, whatever you need to do. Research the product, copy and paste what the original manufacturer put down for it. But yeah, so now we're on to the reviews. Now reviews come with the sales, so I'm not going to be too picky about it. You're going to get the reviews as you're selling. But yeah, though, after you do all that, the sales will start running in. So you have your winning product. Okay, you have a winning product. You research the market. You have your clean listing. Now on to step 4, man. Post. Now you want to post your product and be patient. It does take time before people see it. Might take a couple of days, 2 weeks. It's different for everyone. It took mine about 3 to 5 days before I got my first sale, but I got it though. And then after that, it just started rolling in. Make sure that your reviews are good. And if you have any bad reviews, please respond and fix them. Bad reviews do hurt your brand. Your brand is your image. Even though you're not personally owning the headset business, you're selling it and you're reselling it to the consumer. So they're not going to trust you as much if you have 1-star, 2-star, 3-star reviews. You want to be the 4 or 5-star reviews that people always go back to. for other buyers. Because I know me personally, I always look at the reviews before I buy. So yeah, that's a 4-step tutorial on how you can make $2,000 a week just off of eBay. I have proven this to work before. I've made a video on it before, how to make $1,000 or how to make $1,000 with it. I just hit $2,000 this week, so. All right, so yeah, so that's a 4-step tutorial on how you can make $2,000 this week just off of using eBay. This is proven to work. Don't believe me? Try yourself, man. It does work. Just make sure you have a winning product, of course. Do your research, have clean listings, and, you know, post the product. If you don't take the risk, you won't see the reward. So go ahead and do it. Why not? Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to your boy, man. Comment down below if you guys are trying this out and let me know how your progress is going and if you want more videos like this, man. All right, Icy Crew, we out. I can believe I'm making this small.